One more night, one more night. I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer, oh, if I wait till the summer, oh, but if I wait till the summer, oh, I know it will be better, I can leave the truth, shut the blinds I could deny. One more night, one more night. I wanna bliss to fool everyone that it's alright. One more night, one more night.
Oh, shit.
It's so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer, oh, if I wait till the summer, oh, but if I wait till the summer.
It's been a couple days and I wanted to give you an update after I contacted the Ooni customer service, and I want to give a huge thank you to Kevin, Jamie, and Emily over at the headquarters in Ooni in Scotland. They were uber responsive when I said, hey, I did the unboxing video and the ceramic plate was broken. Is there any way you can send me another one? And they did. And lo and behold, boom, there we go, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. I can't wait to get that unboxed, get it downstairs. I'm making some pizza doughs today for tomorrow. And I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link right here. If you are interested in getting an Ooni product, there is a 10% code, and I will also leave it in the show more description. Stick around, let's go ahead and get some pizzas rocking and rolling tomorrow, and we'll see you soon, guys. Thanks for joining me on this journey of love, family, passion, and barbecue. I hope you guys like this Ooni series. I am super stoked about getting it rocking.